Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake frosting. First, gather your ingredients: softened butter, powdered sugar, milk or cream, and vanilla extract. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth, lump-free frosting. Using a stand mixer with a paddle attachment or a hand mixer will make the process much easier and yield a perfectly whipped consistency. We'll start with a classic buttercream, a versatile and delicious choice for any cake. To begin your classic buttercream, cream 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter in your mixer until it's light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, gradually add 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing on low speed until combined after each addition. Once all the sugar is incorporated, add 2 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat on medium-high speed for another 3 to 5 minutes until the frosting is smooth and spreadable. Now let's talk about flavoring your frosting. For a rich chocolate buttercream, simply add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder along with your powdered sugar. If you prefer a fruity twist, incorporate 2 tablespoons of a fruit puree, like raspberry or strawberry, after the main ingredients are combined. For a refreshing minty flavor, a ½ teaspoon of peppermint extract works wonderfully. Remember to adjust the liquid slightly, if adding purees, to maintain the right consistency. If your frosting seems too thick, add milk or cream 1 teaspoon at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. Conversely, if it's too thin, gradually add powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time until it thickens up. Always mix well after each addition to avoid lumps. For a super smooth finish, you can sift your powdered sugar beforehand. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after all that baking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.